Ladies and gentlemen, AMC Meatball, my name is Andrew. We are here to tell you what you need to pay attention to. Zoom out, open your head, clear it out, watch to the end of this video because we're going to tell you something that we have not told you on live stream, that you are okay to feel afraid. My name is Andrew. I'm a data scientist here in Silicon Valley. What I want to show you is after the high of 77.26 from Wednesday's Gamma Squeeze, we are down a significant amount, but this is part of the plan, not the mainstream media plan. Right now, I have pulled up a Bloomberg article called AMC Entertainment Share Price Rides Roller Coaster in Mania for Memes. And speaking of memes, if you haven't seen the wardrobe mishap from Mr. Aron himself, he is not wearing pants in the Trey's trade video. I'm going to show you that at the end of the video, but you do have to stay until the end and comment out which like you are as we go up to 1,500 likes on this video. And finally, if you guys have not yet considered that subscribe button, we are this close to 100,000 subscribers by our 1-year anniversary on Father's Day. So if you guys want to be able to get triple the raffle tickets for our giveaway, then you have to subscribe before the weekend is over. So with that out of the way, let's take a look at what I've drawn here. The first thing that you'll notice is the blue sign when we find the blue circle that I've circled here, 44.82, and the blue circle that I've circled here, the price action from the Gamma Squeeze Wednesday. That is all entirely due to passing through the 261.8% retracement and blazing our trail upward and making new levels of resistance and support. That consolidation is what we needed. This in yellow is called a bullish pennant or a bullish wedge, whatever people have called it before. This triangular shape allows us to consider that lower levels of support, lower levels of resistance is matching higher levels of support as we wedge the price action inward. That allows us to have explosive potential for Monday. And if you guys haven't taken a look at at the price action yet, we are down to double digits in the after hours, currently at $42 and holding tight under right above our EMA, the exponential moving average. Gives us a macro view of the price action, so gives us a little bit of resemblance of what EMA or MEMA over on the live stream we called it is going to be able to bring us more positive price buoyancy when Monday comes around. So the biggest part of the story right now is what is mainstream FUD trying to make you believe, and how can we try and dig that through. AMC Entertainment share price. This rides roller coaster mania for memes. We're going to parse this through. This is a Bloomberg article. The new king of meme stocks bounced between gains and losses, closing 6.7% lower at 47.91 on Friday. It's still up 83% on the week, adding to May's 160% surge. So already they're keeping you honest, they're keeping you with the context. Draw a straight line from the price action, ignoring the Gamma Squeeze, and you will find, let me draw it in yellow, you will find that we were barely passing 37.89 a couple of days ago as a major high, and we were so excited for it. Back here, you were likely buying it at $10, and you can't even really see the level of resistance and supports anymore. Put things into perspective. It's been quite a ride for AMC, with the stock surge enabling the world's biggest movie theater chain to sell equity and shore up its shaky balance sheet. On the brink of bankruptcy only a few months ago, they are already starting to play AMC as an underdog, right? This year's 2,200% gain ranking as the most of any stock in the Russell 3000 index. This is the key right now. GameStop was beating AMC at every step of the way until this very recent Gamma Squeeze, where AMC now is the undisputed winner. You don't get to have 2,200% increases with just any old stock. This is Eric Handler, entertainment analyst at Whatever Partners. His most important contribution is that he says he has no idea when fundamentals will matter again. Maybe they never did. And that's the case that I want to present, is that AMC wants to be able to create a good fundamentals balance sheet, right? They want to be able to pay back the people that they should pay back. However, If that is connected to the squeeze, I have yet to see proof of that. So that comes back down to incentives. A lot of people might be against what Aron said for the 25 million shares he wants to introduce in 2022. Right? He doesn't want to dump it in 2021. He wants an option to do it in 2022. Hasn't been able to get that opportunity in 9 years. He doesn't seem like he cares too much about the possibility of the squeeze. He cares much more about the fundamentals of AMC. And that's why everything kind of ties together with what that analyst just said. We're looking at another analyst saying it's a lot like the dot-com craze of 2 decades ago. On Thursday, AMC tumbled 18% after disclosing plans to sell more stock, right? We experienced that. Thursday happened like a Band-Aid ripoff. And after that at-the-market offering was entirely done, we felt much better, and we tracked that price analysis in a previous video. We have Mudrick. The company collected $587 million from the sale, which is just days after it netted another $230 million from Mudrick, who sold it almost immediately later and almost immediately regretted it. Yeah, just look at that price action here. Even though it's hanging at $42, they said it was overpriced back at $30. So pretty embarrassing for Mr. Mudrick, or Mr. Fudd Rick here. CEO Aron told shareholders AMC may face challenges or exciting opportunities. Right now, they have people to pay back. And so tons of back rent that they haven't been able to, as well as friends that were never able to survive the pandemic, you know, ArcLight or Pacific or some other movie theater that they would like to snatch up right now. And that's the main core of why he wants to issue more sales. And here comes I would say the most important part of the Bloomberg article here, which is that here, whole enchilada, right? We are facing another chunk of cash may go to the landlords we just mentioned here. Here it is. AMC took the best possible path of action and used the bloated share price to raise lots of capital for its own purposes, whatever other strategists said. Meme stock investors need the share price to be volatile and the stock to make headlines, because if the attention disappears, so does the investment. So this is one two-way mirror that we're both observing each other from, essentially saying, this looks like just a regular window, but it is us looking out and seeing what they want to paint us at, predators, wacky kids, right? But now it seems like they want us to be under the limelight, and they think that it is our lifeblood. They think that it's the thing that is keeping us, in the squeeze mode. However, we have been pointing fingers at the mainstream media because of their unfair portrayal of AMC and spreading FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, since that very last video yesterday, where we saw 4 random people brought together in a CNBC video that essentially just spread some bad information, some pretty bad faith information overall. So this is the most important piece, is that they think we need the publicity to continue on. They think that we need more retail investors to harden their fists into diamonds, and that would be nice. But we are not here to cause a outburst and then go home with small gains. We are here to create a revolution. And if any other potential Moon Platoon, Mo Monkey, ape out there would like to join us, hey, this has some truth in this sentence, right? We need AMC to stay in the limelight tomorrow. So that means you can't give up on it. That means I am not giving up on it. I don't know what the sell button is. I have no clue, and I'm not sure if you do either. But that's the main gist of what the mainstream media currently wants us to understand, that AMC is on its way up, right? It had a bad Thursday, it had a bad Friday, and now if it disappears, if it simmers down, the options chain is just going to expire once again, the brand new one that we saw on Option Sonar that had just so much potential. So don't let it fizzle out. Keep it in your mind. That is the war plan for Monday. I'll see you over the weekend over some more analysis of what we might have missed over the trading day. I have to tell you that some of you still don't know that this is Webull. It is a trading application that I use. Go ahead and look at it in the description down below if you want to get 2 free stocks by contributing it $100 into your account. That's yours to trade with, and you get 2 free stocks on top of that. Or if you want to use it for free, you can just use the other link in the the description, and you get a free stock just by using it and charting it out with me. If you guys have not had the opportunity to look at cheat code algorithm, I'm pulling it up right here. We had a 4 out of 4 buy signal here on AMC. Makes it easier for you to be able to see buys and sells visually and just learn along with maybe a paper account or something that it makes it a little easier to take risks while being able to use a very snazzy tool. So that is in the description as well. And finally, I want to say thank you for being you. I appreciate you greatly. If you don't see your names up there yet, that's because I have to update them for the weekend, but then you will. And if you guys would like to see your names on the end screen, then pressing that join button next to the subscribe button is your best bet, or pressing the Patreon link in the description is also a good way to support the show. Meatball, would you like to say bye? One of the most important parts of this is that you have a larger ape family than you started with. So without further ado, my name is Andrew. Still going to be Andrew tomorrow, and we will see you in the money. Peace.